Hi everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here, and I have another box of goodies to unbox, and possibly should have done this bit beforehand without possibly committing some kind of self-harm on screen. Anyway, got in that side. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, and you can, or hopefully, be informed when new unboxings where I could very well murder myself. You might be informed when new videos pop up. Okay, we're nearly in, and this side was a lot easier. Paper this side, paper tape. Right, we're in. Okay, I possibly should have moved my teacup, which is the knife down. Okay, so what have we got? Oh yes, goodies. Bend. That's it. Right, what's this? Now, this company has changed hands. So I've got some info from them. I got a thank you from them and a little letter. I don't know what that is. This is their info. It's actually it's kind of a bill, believe it or not. Well, you know, like a proof of. Let's see what's in here. Although I've dealt with these a million times, it's never come in such a professional way until now, until they've changed hands. So there we go. That is my order, and that is my amount. So good for my records, very good. And compliment slip and packaging, lots of packaging. Wow. Okay, so some of this is restocking for my shop, hobbyrocks.co.uk, and some of this is not, and it's stocking but not restocking. Okay, where do I start? Well, hey, right, so I have some restock items. So I've got some single crochet hooks, the Tulip red, and some single ones, Tulip rose. They were a bit out of stock of some of the colours that I wanted, so therefore I've got a reorder. And I've got some green needle point protectors for knitting. Should be more than that in there, really. There should be. So this is new to me, and I'm going to get them out and have a little look. I do like the way that they package their orders. Quite snazzy now. Used to be shoved in a box. That is one heck of a sticky sticker. I'm not going to undo that in a hurry. Wow. That is heavy, man. Heavy duty. In fact, I still can't open it because it's stuck to the other side. Okay, we're in. We are in. So I ordered some of these grand hooks. I've not stocked these before, but these are the Tulip Etimo grand hooks. I have some 8mm and some 10mm. Wow. So I should have an area to put these things. I also have, I've got another 8mm. Lovely colour, that one. Oh, it's really beautiful. Really like that colour. And this one. This is a 15mm. That is a big boy, isn't it? Wow, look at that. I want to argue with that person. So in there I have 12s and a 15. Did I show you the 12? A lovely shade of lilac. That's the 12. That sticker is mega sticky. I'll put it behind because it's gonna. Well, that's funny because there should have been more needle protectors in that than there, but there weren't because they were out of stock of some, and she messaged me and I told her the ones that I would have. So I'm really going to have to go through this afterwards and have a really, really good look to make sure that everything that I've been billed for is what I've got. But wow, their packaging is mega for this one. Okay, here we are. This, I decided to get one of these, and I was toying with the idea of keeping it for myself. This is a Tulip red crochet hook set with a case. So you've got this dotty case that comes with it, and you've got some other bits and pieces behind there. There is a picture of scissors. There is a tape. This whole set is beautiful. I love the little case that comes with it. Really, really nice. And I was offered a little offer for this one, so I might just, you never know, do something snazzy with the price. And then that's strange because I should have more point protectors, but I don't. These, as soon as I buy these, it's not long before they fly out the door and I'm without them. So I'm so glad that they still have stock, and I've ordered some more of these. These are the iCord knitters. That's another little sticky sticker. Wow. I'd like to know where they get their industrial strength stickiness from. But these are the iCord knitters, and I sold my last one the other day. So I'm very, very pleased that I was able to stock up again. And each time I buy them, I buy more because they don't last very long. But the good thing about that is I do need to place another order because they've got some of the hooks that were out of stock. They will have them back in. So let's have a little look. I'm going to move that because that is not very nice. I'm going to look at number 10. I want to have a look because some of these were for me. I can't get in it. I can't get in the box. Ah, here we are. I'm in the box. Right, let's have a look. Oh, this is nice. I've not had one of these before. Not even touched one. So they have a really nice kind of rubberized handle. They've got the flat part, so great if you're a knife. Yeah, I don't hold my knife like that, but that's what they call it. Great if you're a knife holder. Equally perfect for my thumb if you're not, because I'm a pen holder, although, yeah. And yeah, both equally good for that. But it's nice. It's nice and long. It is actually nice and long. I quite like it. It has a hole at the end, and I don't think it's big enough for thread. But I like this, and I like the size being so boldly embossed on there. I don't know if it's picking it up. Probably not. But they're lovely colours. This one being pink, obviously. Pink and pretty. But they're all such lovely colours. We've got sticky again. We've got blue. That is a lovely blue. It's like a periwinkle. A periwinkle blue for a 15. I'm not sure I showed you the 15. Yeah, it wasn't. That's an even bigger boy. Look at that one. Yep, 15. I'm getting rid of that because that's bully. And we've got this lovely lilac colour for a 12. They're all the same kind of quality though. They're just beautiful. Really, really exceptional quality. I'm glad I got these. I've shown you that one. The 8 is this lovely teal colour. Turquoise, as we used to call it back in the olden days. Before we started calling everything like teal. But yeah, I love them. They are beautiful. I'm glad I got those. I decided to give them a little try. They don't, funny enough, do other sizes, which is a bit on the bizarre side. I'm just trying to figure out which one I haven't got. It must be this one. Yeah, I've not got very big hands either. But there they are. Aren't they lovely? They're so pastel. Pretty colours. Really, really nice. Big fat hand in the way. There we go. No, it's the same, isn't it? Epic fail. So yeah, that's it. But I'm a little bit annoyed, well, concerned. Unless they're behind. Let's have another look. We've got one of these horrible stickers. That one's easy. Well, that was pretty easy. Maybe it won't be now. Oh, mamma mia. You know, I was singing the praises for their packaging. Changed my mind. So what have we got? We have a 4.5. Sadly, some of them are still out of stock, as I said. Another 4.5. These are the sizes that I sell out of straight away. Okay, the green point protectors are the only ones in there. There's just 2 packs of those, so I'm definitely going to have to get in touch. So we've got a 6 in the red and a 5.5 in the red, and the same again in the red. These are without a doubt my favourite hooks of all time. Now I do absolutely still love these, and if I will grab any of the tulips, the gold, the rose or the red for my projects over any other. If I see one of those sizes, that's the one I get. If I can't find it and I have to have another hook, I'll possibly go for the Clover Soft Touch. But and I do have some Amours sitting over there that I'm not so keen on. Soft Touch, they slide better. They're very similar in the end is very similar in a way, but not so much the Amour. I found it split the yarn a fair bit, so I wasn't particularly pleased with that. But I sold out of these point protectors, a couple of colours, and I did order some larger ones to replace the ones that were out of stock, but they obviously messed up there. Unless they're in the bottom of the box, but I doubt it, because all that stuff was neatly packaged on the top. So that is my new little restock. And I'm looking forward to trying mine. I am. It's big, man. It's a big boy. Let's have another little close-up look. I'm hoping that the actual hook itself is as good. It's nice and smooth. I have to say, sometimes when you get this part of the hook, it's too bulbous and this part too sharp, and that's what causes the split. So I've got a feeling this just might be good, and it's nice and pointy to get in those stitches. So so far I like it. Of course, once I've used it, that will be the proof of the pudding, won't it? I'll let you know how I get on when I finally get around to doing it. So tell me, what do you like? What is your favourite hook? I know a lot of people used to rave, and I mean rave, about the Amour hooks. piece of plastic was stuck to me with static. Couldn't get it off. So yeah, people used to rave about the Clover Amour hooks. And in my shop, I have to say, which is an online shop, if you haven't found it, it's hobbyrocks.co.uk. I do have a free crochet hook at the moment. When you go through the checkout, there's a pop-up at the beginning, it tells you the code. So when you go through the checkout, you have to put that in the space for the code. But it is an ergonomic crochet hook, so that's worth having a look at. Anyway, forgot what I was saying. Do that all the time. Go off on a tangent. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, but you know, yeah. Since I started my shop, the one hook that flies out the door above all others is Tulip. It's obviously, I think, surpassed Clover Amour in sales. I do sell my packs of Amour, but not as often as I sell the Tulip. In fact, several of my Tulip sets are out of stock, and I'm waiting for them to come back. And plus I had sort of quite a lot of orders going in at once, so I couldn't really get everything I wanted yet, and I will build them up again. But yeah, I do sell as well some of the inexpensive hook sets, like the Millwood, the gold ones, and of quite a few others. But they are without a doubt the ones that overshadow all other hooks in terms of popularity and sales. So I'm glad to get a few new ones and to get some restocks. But yeah, I will carry on. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay safe, everyone. And I'm off to make a beanie. I will see you later. Bye for now.